Have you ever found yourself dreaming of a retirement that feels less like an ending and more like a grand new beginning? A life where your savings stretch further, your days are filled with sunshine, and you're part of a community that genuinely welcomes you. For many American retirees, this isn't just a dream, it's becoming a reality. As we look towards 2026, the pressures of a rising cost of living at home are pushing more people to explore their options abroad. The idea of retiring overseas is no longer a niche fantasy, but a practical and exciting plan. Countries around the globe are rolling out the welcome mat, offering not just a lower cost of living, but a higher quality of life. In today's video, we're exploring 10 incredible countries that are attracting more American retirees than ever before. We've done the research to highlight destinations that excel in what matters most. Affordable lifestyles, friendly and safe communities, excellent healthcare, and of course, breathtaking scenery. We'll break down what makes each location special, from visa requirements to the best cities to call home. Whether you're seeking adventure, tranquility, or simply a place where your retirement fund can flourish, our list has something for you. So get ready to be inspired and be sure to stay until the end, because our number one destination might just be the perfect paradise you've been searching for. More Americans are now considering retirement abroad than ever before. Many are searching for lower living costs, pleasant weather, reliable healthcare, and a relaxed lifestyle. These countries have become popular choices because they combine affordability with welcoming communities. Let's begin. Kicking off our countdown at number 10 is the jewel of Central America, Belize. This small nation packs a mighty punch with its stunning barrier reef, lush jungles, and laid-back Caribbean vibe. For many North American retirees, its biggest draw is that English is the official language, making the transition seamless. Belize's Qualified Retired Persons Program offers significant incentives, including tax exemptions. A couple can live comfortably on a budget of around $2,000 to $3,000 a month. While healthcare is improving with good private clinics for routine needs, complex procedures may require travel. Popular spots like Ambergris Cay offer a lively beach scene, while the Cayo district provides a tranquil, eco-friendly lifestyle. Just be prepared for the tropical humidity and a more relaxed pace of life, which can sometimes apply to infrastructure as well. Number 9, Panama. Often called the hub of the Americas, Panama offers a unique blend of cosmopolitan city life and breathtaking natural beauty. Its capital, Panama City, boasts infrastructure that rivals many U.S. cities, with a clean and efficient metro system, world-class hospitals, and high-speed internet. Panama is famous for its pensionado program, one of the best retiree visas in the world, offering discounts on everything from healthcare to entertainment. A comfortable lifestyle is achievable for about $2,500 a month for a couple. Beyond the capital, the highlands of Phuket are a haven for expats seeking cooler climates and outdoor activities. While the bureaucracy can be slow, the benefits of this modern dollarized economy are hard to ignore. Number 8, Portugal. This European gem has captured the hearts of retirees worldwide. From the historic streets of Lisbon to the sun-drenched beaches of the Algarve, Portugal offers a first-world lifestyle at an affordable price. It's consistently ranked as one of the safest countries in the world, with a welcoming and friendly culture. The cost of living is a major draw. A couple can live well on $2,500 to $3,500 per month. Portugal boasts an excellent public and private healthcare system. The D7 visa is a popular path for retirees requiring proof of passive income, while learning Portuguese is highly recommended for full immersion, especially outside tourist hubs. The relaxed pace of life and beautiful scenery make it a top contender. Expat-friendly, Mexico. Our southern neighbor offers a rich tapestry of culture, history, and landscapes. For decades, it has been a haven for retirees seeking a lower cost of living without sacrificing amenities. The sheer size and diversity of Mexico mean there's a perfect spot for every taste, from bustling colonial cities to tranquil beach towns. A key advantage is affordability, with many couples living comfortably on $2,000 to $3,000 a month. Proximity to the US and Canada makes travel for visits simple and cheap. Healthcare is excellent, especially in larger cities with top-tier private hospitals. The temporary or permanent resident visa process is straightforward based on economic solvency. Whether it's the artistic community of San Miguel de Allende or the beach life of the Riviera Maya, Mexico delivers a vibrant and accessible retirement. Number 6, Costa Rica. Known for its pura vida or pure life philosophy, Costa Rica is a paradise for nature lovers and those seeking a peaceful, stable environment. This Central American nation famously abolished its army in 1949, investing instead in education and healthcare, creating a safe and welcoming society for expats. The country's healthcare system is among the best in Latin America, and residents can join the universal public system, the Caja. A retired couple can expect to spend between $2,500 and $3,500 per month. The new digital nomad visa and the traditional pensionado visa provide clear paths to residency. From the Central Valley's eternal spring climate to the stunning Pacific Coast beaches, Costa Rica offers a healthy and active lifestyle. Be aware that it's one of the pricier countries in the region, a trade-off for its stability and natural wonders. 5. Spain. Entering our top 5, Spain offers a quintessential European retirement with a sunny disposition. Its diverse regions range from the green hills of the north to the Mediterranean beaches of the south. The country is steeped in history, art, and a culinary tradition that celebrates life. Spain's non-lucrative visa is a popular option for retirees, requiring proof of financial self-sufficiency. The cost of living is surprisingly low for Western Europe, with a couple able to live comfortably on $2,500 to $3,500 a month. The public healthcare system is world-class, and the infrastructure, including high-speed trains, makes exploring the country a breeze. While navigating bureaucracy can require patience, the reward is a rich, vibrant, and affordable lifestyle. Number 4, Ecuador. This South American nation is a long-standing favorite for its incredible value and established expat communities. Using the US dollar as its official currency simplifies finances. Ecuador's diverse landscapes range from the Amazon jungle to the Andean highlands and the Galapagos Islands. The number 1 draw is the extremely low cost of living. Many couples report living well on just $1,500 to $2,000 a month. Cities like Cuenca offer a UNESCO World Heritage streetscape, spring-like weather year-round, and excellent affordable health care. The retiree visa is accessible, requiring a modest monthly pension. While infrastructure can be less developed outside major cities, the welcoming communities and unbeatable affordability make Ecuador a top choice for budget-conscious retirees. Number 3, Malaysia. Our bronze medalist is a surprise for some, but this Southeast Asian nation is a rising star in the retirement world. Malaysia offers a fascinating cultural blend, hyper-modern infrastructure in its cities, and incredible natural beauty. English is widely spoken, making it easy for expats to navigate daily life. Malaysia is a top destination for medical tourism, boasting world-class private healthcare at a fraction of Western prices. The cost of living is also very attractive, with a luxurious lifestyle possible for $2,000 to $3,000 a month. The Malaysia My Second Home MM2H program provides a long-term visa for qualified applicants. From the bustling food scene of Penang to the gleaming metropolis of Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia offers a comfortable, affordable, and exciting Asian retirement. To Thailand, the land of smiles, secures the runner-up spot. For years, Thailand has been synonymous with an idyllic and affordable retirement. Its world-famous beaches, delectable cuisine, and the genuinely welcoming nature of its people create an irresistible combination. Life here is incredibly affordable. A couple can live very well on $1,500 to $2,500 a month, enjoying everything from street food feasts to comfortable modern condos. The country offers excellent private health care, particularly in cities like Bangkok and Chiang Mai. The Thai Elite Visa and other retirement visa options provide a clear, albeit sometimes bureaucratic, path to long-term stays. Whether you seek the spiritual calm of the northern mountains or the vibrant energy of the southern islands, Thailand offers a dream retirement for many. Number 1, Italy. And our top destination for 2026 is the one and only Italy. It's a country that truly offers la dolce vita, the sweet life. For many, retiring in Italy is the ultimate dream, a chance to live amidst unparalleled history, art, and culinary excellence. From the rolling vineyards of Tuscany to the sun-soaked shores of Sicily, the lifestyle is simply seductive. While not the cheapest on our list, Italy is more affordable than many realize, especially in the southern regions, where a couple can live well on $2,500 to $3,500 a month. The elective residency visa is the main route for retirees. Italy's national healthcare system is highly rated, and residents gain access to it. The biggest draws are intangible: the emphasis on community, the quality of food and wine, and the daily beauty that surrounds you. It's a retirement that feeds the soul. As we've seen, the decision to retire overseas is a monumental one, filled with the promise of adventure and discovery. It's about so much more than just stretching your retirement savings. It's a chance to redefine your daily life, to immerse yourself in a vibrant new culture, and to build a lifestyle that truly excites and fulfills you. This is your opportunity to write an entirely new chapter, one that's rich with fresh experiences, new friendships, and personal growth. But turning this dream into a successful reality requires careful and thorough preparation. The key is to balance the excitement with practical planning. Before you even think about packing your bags, dive deep into the research. Create a detailed budget that accounts for currency fluctuations and local living costs, not just the headline numbers. Scrutinize the healthcare system. Understand the quality of care, the difference between public and private options, and what your insurance will cover. Navigating visa and residency requirements is often the most complex part, so start early and consider seeking professional legal advice to ensure a smooth process. Finally, think about community and connection. How will you integrate? Learning even a little of the local language can open doors and transform your experience from that of a tourist to a true resident. Your perfect retirement is out there, waiting to be discovered with a little bit of homework. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more travel, retirement, and lifestyle guides. Question of the day: which of these countries would you choose for your retirement and why?